Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send location on Telegram. So if you want to share your friends, if you want to share location with your friends on Telegram, here's how you can get it done. You open the Telegram app on your phone, then from there you tap on the particular user or friends you wish to share your location with. Once you tap on them, once tap on it, then once tap on it, you have something like this on your screen. It will automatically take you to the chat option. Then you tap on this icon. Once tap on it, then you tap on location. Location is right here. You tap on location. From here you can allow, you can set these options based on your choice. So I'm just going to tap allow once, or allow when using your app, or don't allow. If you don't allow, you guys have to give access to the app. So just give access to the app, which is while using the app. You can go back to Telegram. So just tap on Telegram. Good. So right here you can decide to share your location with this particular person, and if you don't want to do that, you can do that manually. Just tap on the map, then zoom in and zoom out. You can see, then you can decide to share your current location, share my live location, or you can probably decide to share any location you can choose. I'm just going to tap on this location, then I'm going to send it. So whenever she tap on the location, she can reveal it on map, and that's it. If any video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.